This is room 403 on the 4th floor of the Lompoc Valley Inn and Suites. And a hairdryer. As soon as you come into the room, on the right is the sink, tea, coffee maker, ice bucket. Just going into the room on the right, we've got closets with iron and ironing boards. Plenty of hanging storage. Big 50-inch flat screen TV. Microwave, more storage. Got a decent sized fridge there. Looks like got internet access there with the plug sockets. AC units. View of the freeway and the hills in the background. Hopefully the road noise quietens down a bit later. Got a sofa, a couple of table lamps. The alarm clock has also got some outlets. So you can charge your phone next to the bed. The other side, don't think that does though. Nope. And then we've got a bathroom with a shower over the tub, toilet. So yeah, so in this room for one night. Lompoc Valley Inn and Suites, free Wi-Fi. There's a pool, gymnasium, room 403. Not bad.